been a long day at work, and finally, Rolando is going home. To most, it's a natural way to end the day. But for Rolando, this was just a dream he had not too long ago.
Kasi po, nag-umpisa kami dito, kubo lang, bahay. Talaga po, binili po namin yun, 2,000 lang na bahay. Kaya lang mahina talaga siya, sa alaga lang na tignan niyo. Tabing-tabing lang po na basta may bubong siya, okay na siya. Tiniram po namin i-start yun. Dati po, wala yan. Mahirap po talaga magpatayo ng bahay na talagang bigla. Buti nga po sa ASCII, merong yung biyanan ko nakasabi. Ngayon sabi niya, sumabi kayo para meron silang pabahay, baka sakali ma-approvean kayo. Kaya ng Diyos yan, pina-approvean kami.
A home like Orlando's is now within reach for many Filipinos. All it takes is a dream and a way to make those dreams come true.
Everyone dreams of having a house one of these days, not just a house, but home. And a home is different, the house is just a physical, I would say, infrastructure surrounding a family. But in our projects, we are trying to build affordable homes. And the homes really means the community are interacting, that people are able to create assets. They have good health. They're able to network with their neighbors and other people who make an important contribution to their lives.
The DPU CSP is a government-approved project funded by the Asian Development Bank. It is co-executed by the Development Bank of the Philippines and the Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Council. One of the project's components is housing microfinance. Through microfinance institutions, this program now provides Filipinos with an opportunity to own a home.
Ang target ng housing microfinance, yung mga Pilipino o yung mga sambayanan na hindi maka-access ng regular loan sa Pag-ibig o sa GSIS kung nagtatrabaho sila sa gobyerno o sa SSS o sa bangko kung merong housing facility. Kasi by the nature na yung cash flow nila ay mas maliit at this point. Sa housing microfinance offered by either cooperatives, the bank, or NGO, it's easy for you to access the housing microfinance facility o window. Kasi na-establish na yung yung credibility as a borrower.
Ito po yung lumang bahay po namin.
Ronaldo was able to avail of his housing loan through a local microfinance institution, the Alalay sa Kaunlaran Incorporated, or ASCII.
Noong nagkaroon ako ng konting trabaho at saka nakahirap po ako ng pera sa ASCII. Nakahirap po ako kaya medyo malaki pong tulong yung ASCII na dahil kahit na po unti-unti na pagpapatuloy po yung bahay po namin.
The walls are still bare. The living room needs constant tidying up, and Ronaldo feels he needs to plant more trees. It's a work in progress, and there's still much to do. But for him, it's all worth the effort.
Kasi nasabi po sa amin na may mga program na pabahay, gano'n. Sinubukan ko namin. Ito naman, kapagpatayo ako ng bahay, nakatulong po yung housing loan po.
ASCII, or Alalay sa Kaunlaran Incorporated, is a microfinance lending institution based in Nueva Ecija and with offices in various provinces in the Philippines. Established in 1987 to provide loans to Filipino entrepreneurs in Cabanatuan City, ASCII now has 25 branches in Central and Northern Luzon, providing over 76 million pesos in financial assistance. This year, ASCII added to its list of services housing microfinance, which has given it a new way to reach out to its clientele.
It's only in 2002 that we decided that we have to have a program on micro-housing. And we've been doing microfinance for more than 20 years. And we thought that ASCII should be holistic in its approach.
ASCII says housing microfinance entices existing clients to keep coming back for more services. Aside from helping build ASCII's portfolio, clients who know that such a benefit is within their reach allows them to explore more opportunities and possibilities for approving the loan.
What we provide is a credit to support their source of livelihood. And then with that, we teach them on how to do some budgeting also, and that's where the next priority is really shelter. So there's a plan, there's a budget prepared.
To facilitate the loan application process, the use of ICT applications like electronic templates is being introduced in ASCII's eHouse. The idea is for the clients to be able to simply fill out an electronic application form if they wish to borrow, or an assessment form which will allow them to see if they are eligible for a housing or livelihood loan. The use of these e-tools is an innovation in microfinance, and ASCII is proud to be one of the first to adopt this technology.
Actually, ang konsepto namin is hopefully kapag magpapa-evaluate sila online, ipaprint na rin nila, and then pwedeng dali nila sa ASCII, tapos na kami, ito na. So, yun ang makita natin yung innovations on microhousing.
As of today, ASCII has received 3,000 housing microfinance applications, and there are more in the pipeline. And as the list grows, so does the number of happy households in Nueva Ecija.
Ang aming bahay. Welcome po, saka nagpakisami kami.
I believe yung housing program na ginagawa namin ay lalong nagbibuild ng loyalty doon sa kliyente. So talagang supporting na binibigay sa amin. Kasi sabi nila, ngayon alam namin ng ASCII hindi lang pagpapautang sa pangkabuhayan. Para yung pangarap naming bahay, sila pala'y katuparan.
So what we're trying to do under this project is also enable the microfinance institutions to continue to help their clients. I think that it's a very important part of microfinance development also, to develop other products like housing microfinance. Of course, it has other features. Of course, the systems may have to be changed a bit. Okay, but it will adopt the same basic microfinance principles.
It's a system that keeps on giving. It gives microfinance institutions return business and more clients. It gives individuals a home. It gives communities opportunities to grow.
Maganda po, malaking bagay po sa amin. Lalo na yung mga anak ko, malaki pagkakaiba. Lalo na parkada niya, dadalhin niya dito. Sinasama nila. Yung, minsan mo kasi sa isang pamilya, minsan sasabihin, bahay, may ako, di bahay. Ngayon po hindi. Malaki pong ano sa amin dahil bawat bisita namin, uy, kaganda na ng bahay nyo ha. Ang laki-laki na, maayos pa,
Malaki po pagbabago dahil wala na akong alinlangan na masira yung bahay. Kaya kahit matulog kami na mahimbing ngayon, wala na kami alinlangan.
With housing microfinance, families can now dream beyond owning a home because they are home.